Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a shoe rehab. So today I have this pair of Valentino rock stud slip-ons that I'm gonna be kind of like restoring and fixing up. As you can see, one shoe is a lot cleaner than the other one. It's just pretty much, I think a lot of it is just superficial dirt. So we're gonna see how much we can get cleaned off. I know this one's a lot cleaner looking than this one is already, but look at that. So otherwise the shoes are not in terrible condition. They are missing some studs. I have been on the hunt looking for black Valentino studs online. I haven't found any yet, so that might be way down, like, longer in the pipeline of that. But other than that, we're going to be fixing up the rest, or the shoes, and see how clean we can get them. We're going to be using a couple of different things today, but before we start, I wanted to let you guys know that if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, vlogs, handbag rehabs, shoe rehabs, and all that fun stuff, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. I do post videos every single day. Add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like I spelled here, and check out my shop. It's Hadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures, where these actually might be up for sale once these are all fixed up. But all the links are going to be down below in the description box as well. But let's get started. We're going to start off first with, I have a kiwi brush, and we're just going to brush off. I'm just going to start off with one shoe first. Start off with this one. I'm just going to brush off any sort of like dirt that's sitting on top of the shoe. Just get it all off. Get it nice and clean. Well, yeah. Clean it off first of like any dirt and debris or anything that might be sitting on top of the shoe superficially. Alright. Doesn't look too bad, right? Now we're just going to, since it doesn't really look too dirty, I think, actually no, I'm gonna do the kiwi, this kiwi cleaner. I'm gonna use this guy to clean up the shoe a little bit more first before we start conditioning it. And I'm gonna apply this with, this is just another brush, just like in a circular motion. Before we wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. This is gonna get rid of all the extra like dirt and debris that's on there that's not coming off. I think this will also be a good way to get into the nooks and crannies of the studs. That's why I was like, ooh, maybe I'm actually gonna do this first instead of just going in with my leather conditioner and cleanser. Normally, if the shoe like wasn't too dirty and it didn't have like the difficulty of getting into the studs, I could just use that. But since this one does have the studs, ooh, that was nice and juicy. I'm also gonna clean the sides of the shoe, the plastic part down here as well. Then we're going to be using my leather preparer and deglazer, but we're going to be using it on the rubber part of the shoe and see if we can get any of that stuff off of it. Alright, and now we're going to be conditioning with our shoe conditioner. I wanted to bring you guys down here and show you how crazy it looks. So that's the after and that's the before. Like, the difference is crazy. I'm gonna see if I can get more of this darkness off of the shoe, but look at the difference the shoes have for the sides. It's pretty good. Alright, you guys, so it's looking fantastic. Now let's hit up this other shoe and see how clean we can get this guy. I think just from the initial brushing, I think it's gonna get a lot cleaner. Let's compare it. It still has like a lot of dirt like ingrained in it. You can see there it's like a lot more dull and not as nice. So now we're gonna hit it up again with our Kiwi cleaner. Alright, you guys, here are the shoes. They are looking fantastic now. I love the way they turned out. They're looking so much cleaner. Look at these beauties. You can also steam out the wrinkles. Like, I know, like, you can stuff them and then steam them out. Just put like a cloth over them and then steam them and then just like iron out the wrinkles. Unfortunately, I don't have a steamer right now, so I can't do that, but there's lots of videos to do it online. You can just like Google it and find them. But I think the shoes turned out really, really great, especially with just the items that I have here. I know that there's a product that you can buy to put on the rubber part of the shoes to whiten them up again, but you need to like apply, like, I think you have to put them under like a UV light and then whiten them, kind of like how you whiten your teeth or something. But we're not going to be doing that. I feel like these are pretty good just the way they are. They're not like too bad. Plus, I kind of like the off-white look of them. I think it looks pretty cool. It makes them look more edgy, especially since they have the spikes. And again, if anyone finds these black Valentino studs online, let me know, because I am still searching for them, still haven't found them. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think about them. I think they turned out pretty good. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below what other videos you guys want to see. I know you guys have been commenting other video topics and stuff, but I can only do what I have here to work on. So I do have more lined up for videos as far as fixing up shoes and handbags. But let me know if there's any specifics. I know that you guys have been asking to dye if you can, or for me to try dyeing like a nylon fabric. I don't have anything to try and dye that's nylon right now, unfortunately. So that's gonna have to be on the back burner until after we can go back outside again. But yeah, stuff like that. But definitely more handbag rehabs, shoe rehabs coming up. And yep, that's the end of the video. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to check out tomorrow's new video, bright and early at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I love you guys immensely. I'll see you guys all then. Bye!